Hello class and welcome to week 3 of English 101 online. For this week in English 101, you'll be working on out of the Tech Learning Resource Week 3 folder. In the folder, you'll be learning about mechanics, style, and grammar. All of these things will help you as you begin to write your essay, your technology essay, the final draft of which is due this Friday. The rough draft is due a few days earlier for peer review. You should be reading about matters of mechanics, grammar, and style in the Lumen grammar tab. You should also be reading about revising, editing and proofreading, and using the peer review checklist to conduct peer reviews. This week you will be doing peer reviews of each other's essays, and the checklist should help you to know what to look for when you're peer reviewing each other's essays. Also, you have an assignment in Lumen, the MLA format. I ask you to read and watch the videos, and then you'll be doing some peer reviews before your essays due on Friday. Let's go to the actual calendar to see what's coming up due. Okay, so on Friday, the 15th, you have the final draft of the tech essay. You should be reviewing each other's essays a day or two before then. You should be working out of the tech peer reviews, working on those Wednesday and Thursday, and also the final draft of your tech essays due on Friday. Let's look at your technology essay assignment. You may choose to focus on one or more of the essential questions. One of the questions is, does the structure of the internet itself amplify any issues such as sexism or bullying? Another question you may want to consider for your essay is, how have issues of online sexism compared to the sexism women have dealt with for centuries? And thirdly, another question, how does online bullying compare to face-to-face bullying experiences? So these are some of the essential questions that you may focus on. Your essay is to be about 3 to 4 pages in length, double-spaced. I prefer that you type in Verdana fonts, font size 12, and don't forget to compose a heading. For more information about your assignment, your essay assignment, please go to the Assignments tab on the left side of the menu bar, and you may find information about that. There is also a tech essay PDF, which you may download as well. I hope this information was very helpful for this week. Thank you.